Hi, so today we will be making an adorable candle holder or centerpiece with items from the dollar store. I have Deco mesh in 4 different colors. I have the mini wreath rings, some Chanel stems, wooden dowels, styrofoam balls, and I have styrofoam pumpkins. I don't know if I'm going to use all of this, but I wanted to have it here just in case. But you can use whatever embellishments you desire. Alright, let's get started. First, I have my mini wreath ring, and you guys, they sell these at Dollar Tree now, 2 for $1, so that's awesome. It's about 8 inches in diameter. And I've cut 8-inch pieces of the brown, white, green, and orange Deco mesh. Then I have a Chanel stem, and then a Chanel stem that I cut in half. So it's going to be similar to the Deco mesh wreaths that I've made before. Just going to take it and curl it. And I'm going to alternate the colors. I'm not going to keep the same color combination each time. So I'm just rolling them into cute curls. You could roll them into diagonals as well. Just like this. Then I'm going to add the Chanel stem on top. And then scrunch it all together. Take my half of a Chanel stem. And I'm just going to twist it together. Just like that. And then the Chanel stem, you can keep it straight. The only way I would keep it straight is if I had curled my Deco mesh at a point. But since I have small little curls, I'm going to curl the Chanel stem. So I'm just going to place it on my scissors and curl. Just like that. All the way down. And then I won't always have the Chanel stems on the top. Sometimes I'll have them in the middle, on the bottom. So I just like to alternate the colors and also where I place the Chanel stem. So I'm going to get all of my bundles made. I'm just going to make maybe about 12 and then see how that looks. Alright, so I have all of my bundles made. As you can see, I alternated the order of the colors. So the colors of the Deco mesh all changed, and then also I have the Chanel stem in the center for some of them, on the top, on the bottom. So I just mixed it all up. So I made 12 bundles. Again, I may use more, but I'm going to go ahead and place these on the ring and see how it looks. So you can place them all on the outer rings, like the outer two, or you can place them all on the inner two, or you can kind of alternate. I think alternating would be the best. That way you can have the Deco mesh round all the way around and you don't have any of the rings showing. So for the first one, I'm going to use the outer two, and then I'm just twisting it and then tucking it away just like that. And then instead of them going like this, I'm going to have them sideways. So the more I place, it'll just come kind of scrunch together like that. So that was the outer 2 rings. Next one is going to go on the inner 2 rings. Then you can kind of adjust it a little. And again, it'll be easier when all of your Deco mesh is in place. So let me show you what the back is looking like. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 bundles. Again, you'll be able to maneuver and adjust it even more the more you get placed. So this is just one section, 4 bundles. I think that's going to be more than enough, especially when they're scrunched together. Alright, so I have them all in place. Once they're all in place, this is your time to like maneuver it and adjust it as much as you'd like. It kind of looks like a mini Deco mesh wreath. Yeah, it looks like a mini Deco mesh wreath, which is so cute. So if you have like a small door, or if you don't want a full-size wreath, this would make a really cute like mini wreath. Again, the ring is 8 inches. And you don't have to add the chenille stems if you choose not to. Or you can keep them straight if you don't want to curl them. The options are endless. If you'd like, you can also add in these adorable little styrofoam balls that I think are so cute. You can just place them all around and then hot glue them in place. So I have all the styrofoam balls glued in place. It looks so cute. Again, you can leave it like this and make it a cute little mini wreath. But I'm just going to take this glass candle holder, place it in the center, and a candle. And you have an adorable candle holder. Again, this would be an awesome centerpiece. Say you're having a dinner, you could line these down the center of the table, or if you have separate tables, you can place this in the center of each separate table. The possibilities are endless. You can modify it. You can even put like ribbon right around here, or you can take more of your little styrofoam balls and say hot glue them around the top of the glass. And another option, and I'll link the video in the description box down below of how to make this adorable little bow. You can fill the candle holder with decor. I just filled it with these adorable styrofoam balls, and I put this bow on it, and then you can place it in the center. So again, the possibilities are endless. But this entire centerpiece can be made for less than $10. All items purchased at Dollar Tree.